Hi YouTube, I'm Dylan, and today I'm going to show you all how to draw Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. So get your favorite pencil, get a nice piece of paper, let's begin. First off, Piglet's head, we'll start with kind of this oval shape. It's like almost a bean. Then you put this kind of, maybe another oval shape. That will be one of the cheek on the other side. Then we got to put the center line so we know where the middle of his face will be. And then we got to draw another similar kind of bean shape or kind of a peanut shape for his body. And draw very loose and lightly at first, because we're not going to use all these lines later on. And then we got our basic shapes down. The arms and the legs, we'll get to those later. But first, we need to get on to the details. We're going to start with his nose. So you draw this curve that goes down like this. And then right here, draw the nose, which will be a soft round triangle that goes like this. Okay, so we got his nose. Now it's time to give him his eyes. And just like Tigger's eyes and Winnie's eyes, they're these dots that are just these small ovals. And then put these little white spots, those are the highlights. And color everything else in black. And then you gotta draw a line underneath that one and draw these two curves on top of the eyes. Those are like the kind of the eyelids. Then we need to give him some eyebrows, and they're like most of the eyebrows we've drawn in these videos. They're these kind of moon shapes, and color those in. And now we'll give him his mouth. We'll put the dimple and we'll give him a nice big smile. Just like that. And now we can, let's just go ahead and beef up this line on the back a little more. And make sure that the cheek on this side right here kind of curves a bit, curves like this. Then bring that curve down. Make sure you define the bottom a little bit. Get the back side like that. And now we have to draw his ears. And his ears, there are these, this one is going to be kind of a leaf or a heart shape. So we'll draw that. Then we gotta define it a little more and then connect that to the end. Then leave some, make it look like there's a bit of a vein in that ear, and leave the line sticking out on that ear. And for this one, you just make it look like this, because you don't see this part on the other side. We're drawing the same kind of ear, but it's from a different angle. So just draw a curve, small curve, and a big curve that goes to a point right up here, like that. Okay, now, before we get to his body, we need to draw one of his arms. And unlike most of the arms that I teach on, we're gonna have them tucked, he's gonna have them behind his back. So you just draw a small curve right here, and then create kind of a C shape behind it. And then you draw part of a line for his body right there, and leave a little line sticking out. That's to indicate that his arm's going behind his back. And then draw this, beef up this side, and then draw a small curve or a half oval for the other arm. Then we'll beef up his tummy a bit. All right. Now we're going to draw his legs. So we'll draw this. This leg will be a kind of a U shape. This is going to be like it's going on the back. Here's the back side of it. Draw another U shape. It goes like this. And then we have to draw this sort of oval right here for his foot, but don't close it up. And a little similar thing with over here. Here's the back side, and a curve that goes into the shape of his foot, like that. I'm gonna beef up that line right there. And to finish it off, we can draw these lines that he has across his body. And they're about, I don't know, maybe an inch wide. Might need a reference picture for it, or if you want to pause the video at the end, you can. I think at the top here is where they get smaller. Just like that. Then if you want to finish it off, you can go ahead and draw a nice little oval at the bottom for kind of a shadow, skinny sideways oval, and then with the side of your pencil, just lightly fill it in. And now, what we can do now is we can get an eraser and remove our construction lines that we put earlier, like the ones on his body. We got some in his ears. And then maybe you can go over some lines you might have erased by accident. And that's pretty much it. That is Piglet. If you feel like you did good with your drawing, and if you had fun, please feel free to like and subscribe for more. If you need to watch it again, feel free to do it again. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.